So this question is related to mixture and alligation related question. One of the mains concept, most of the times in mains they will ask questions like this. If you read in this question, a vessel P contains mixture of milk and water in the ratio 3:2 and vessel Q contains mixture of milk and water in which water is 20%. Vessel P and Q are mixed to form a new mixture R in which milk is 75%. Fine. When dash milliliter or liter of water is added to mixture of R, then the resultant mixture milk is 54%. Quantity of water used from vessel Q to form mixture R is dash ml. See, like this question is very important. So most of the times they will ask question like this. Then how to solve like this question? I will teach you two methods. Either I can do it in alligation concept, even either I can do it in ratio concept. Both the methods I can do this because all the numbers are in ratio. I can do either ratio or and alligation. So here, how to apply ratio method I am going to teach first. First I will teach you what's the concept here and what's the question is. So statement by statement if you read and you can able to understand. Once in mains read full question and after that try to read statement by statement. So in this question, a vessel P contains mixture of milk and water. Fine. So I have one vessel. This vessel name is P. In this vessel I have milk, even I have water. In which ratio we have milk and water? 3:2. And vessel Q, and I have one more vessel, that is vessel Q. In that even I have mixture of milk and water. Here also I have milk and water only. But instead of ratio they are given water we have 20%. In this vessel if water is 20%, we know milk will be 80%. If I do ratio, it will be 4:1. It will be 4:1. That is a vessel Q, we have milk and water. Now vessel P and Q are mixed. Is this vessel and this vessel we are mixing to form mixture R. Here if I mix it, this vessel and this vessel I will take and I will mix. In this vessel, this is R. In this vessel, I have 75% milk, which means 25% I have water. First, I will solve it. What I can solve it? In which ratio we can mix? That I can solve it using this concept. Here I will do ratio method. Ratio method. The best method will be alligation will be the best method here. In this question, even ratio also I will show you. Here I will take ratio. First I will mix. There how to mix it ratios here. How to find out in which ratio we are mixing. How to find out using ratio concept. Milk and water in first vessel. Milk and water will be 3:2. That will be P vessel. Milk and water in second vessel, that is in Q vessel, will be 4:1. So I told you whenever I will do basic classes in offline class, there is one property. If I mix any vessels, we have to make it vessel size constant. After that, we have to mix according to given ratio. Before mixing, we have to make it total size is constant. Here vessel size is 5. Even here also vessel size will be 5. So I want anyway they are given constant. We don't want to make it constant. It is already in constant. But after mixing this, how we are mixing, that only I need to find out. Then how to find out that value. I'm assuming it is x, it is 1. Always, whenever if you are mixing ratio, in which ratio we are mixing, to find out that value in ratio concept, assume x and 1 or 1 or x, your choice. X or 1 also you can write, 1 or x also you can able to write, but always my suggestion will be x is the first, 1 is the second, otherwise you will get fraction if you write 1 is to 1 and x. So x is to 1 you will be better. After mixing in the ratio x is to 1, then I will get milk will be 75% in our vessel R. Vessel R will be the P plus QR. It is a P, it is a Q. After mixing this milk I will get R vessel, that will be 75% will be the milk, which means water will be 25%. The ratio will be 3:1. 75% is to 25%, ratio will be 3:1. Now how to write this equation? How we are getting this 3 value? If I add this and this, I will get 3, which means we have to multiply this equation with x, that will be 3x plus 4. If I add, I will get 3, like that. If I add 2x plus 1, I will get 2x plus 1. If I get, I will get 3:1. Now I can find out x variable. 1 into 3, 3x, plus 1 into 4, 4, 3 into 2, 6x, plus 3 ones are 3. If I solve this equation, 3x is equal to, if I shift this number this side, that will be 1, which means x is equal to 1 by 3 or 1 is to 3, which means we are mixing vessel P and vessel Q in which ratio? 1 is to 3 ratio. This will be 1, this will be 3. 1 is to 3 ratio. We are mixing in the ratio 1 is to 3. This is very important, 1 is to 3, which means in vessel P we will take 1 part milk and water. Vessel Q will take 3 parts milk and water. We are mixing. That is the meaning of that. In vessel P we are taking 1 part milk and water. This is milk and water from vessel P we are taking. In vessel Q we are taking 3 parts milk and water, then we are mixing. Okay, here 1 part, here 3 parts, then if you mix, I will get 75%. This is the first part. Till this question, this is the first part. Now what's the question that we have to find out? Now what's the question they are talking? When dashed liter, whenever if the question is related to fill in the blanks, we have to use options only. When, if I take first option, when 56 milliliter of water, if I take example first option, if 56 milliliter of water is added to mixture R, in mixture R already we know how much milk is there, how much water is there. In mixture R 75% milk is there, 25% is water is there. Then again you are added, if I take this option will be right. If I take example, again you are added 56 liter of water, then resultant mixture, after adding 56 liter of water, then in resultant mixture milk will be 54%, which means 75% becomes 54% after adding water, because I am not added milk, I am added only water. Then final next, quantity of water used from vessel Q to form mixture R, which means in vessel Q how many liter we are using to form vessel R. That is the second option. Let's solve it this. Now again I am talking about in vessel R, about vessel R. In vessel R we have ratio will be 3:1, that is 75% milk, 25% water. Now I will add x liter water, because I don't know which in the question they are not given. X liter, I am assuming x liter water if I add, then ratio become 54% milk. After adding some liter of water, 54% will be milk, which means 46% will be water. Ratio will be 27:23. Ratio will be 27:23. In vessel R, this is a vessel R, this will be milk, this will be water in vessel R. After mixing P and Q, milk will be 3 parts, water will be 1 part. Again I will add x liter of water. Now it become ratio 27:23. Now already ratio concept I explained. If ratio added or changed only one side, other side we have to make it constant, which means this number I want to make it constant, so I will multiply here 9. If I multiply one side, other side also I have to multiply. Initially in vessel R we have 27 liter milk, in vessel R we have 9 liter water. After adding some liter of water, now anyway 27 liter milk is there because I am not added or removed any milk from vessel R, but after adding water the water become 27, 9 become 23, 9 become 23 means how much we are added. So we are added 14 parts water we are added, 14 parts water we are added. Now verify options. If I take first option, this will be 56. If I take that option, we have to verify. So if I take that option by wise, we have to check. 14 parts is equal to 56, which means 1 part is equal to 4. Then how much milk and water we have in vessel R I can find out initially before adding. Before adding how much milk and water is there I can find out. That will be 27 plus 9, 35 parts is there. 27 plus 9, sorry, not 34, 36. 27 plus 6, 9, because it is 9 3s are 27, it will be 9, 36 parts. 36 parts is equal to how much? 4 into 36, 144 liter mixture is there in vessel R. This 144 liter where you will take from vessel P some liter, vessel Q some liter you will take. In which ratio you are taking? 1:3 ratio I am taking. So 144 liter, this is a total mixture in vessel R. This vessel R 144 liter, where it will come from? It will come from some part water and milk, it will come from vessel P, some water, milk and water, it will come from vessel Q. Now 144. So initial after mixing 144 liter in vessel R we have, what is this? This is in vessel Q, how many liter you are taking. That's why I need to find out water. You concentrate now vessel Q. So in 144 liter, what is the vessel Q share? 1:3. Vessel P will be 1, vessel Q will be 3, which means I want vessel Q how many liter you are total taking. In vessel Q you are taking 3/4, total 3 parts out of 4. This is the total milk and water I will take from vessel Q, but I want only water. Milk and water ratio in vessel Q will be 4:1, which means you will take 1 out of 5 parts. It is a vessel Q from water you will take. So if I solve this equation, 4 5s are 20, leave it 0 afterwards you will can 144 divided by 2 will be 7.2, because 144 divided by 20, 7.2 into 3, 21.6. Here also option you will get 21.6. So this option will be right. Again same thing you have to check this part also. This is also instead of 56 now you have to check for 140, as it is 4 parts is equal to 140. Instead of 56 now you have to check it, 4 parts is equal to 140. If 4 parts is, sorry, not 4 parts, 14 parts, because you are added 4, not here 14. 14 parts is equal to 140. 1 part is equal to 10. Then here total 36 parts. 36 parts is equal to how much? In vessel Q, sorry, vessel R we have 360 liter total. In this I will take total in vessel Q, how much I am taking in vessel Q, milk and water, 3/4 I am taking, because here ratio will be 1:3. Total in vessel Q, how many liter you are taking? 3/4 I am taking. From vessel Q, milk and water both you will take. But now you have to find out how much water you will take from vessel Q. The ratio is 4:1. From vessel Q, how much we are taking? 4:1 we have ratio, which means I will take 1 out of 5. Same remaining all. Then if I solve this equation, it is 0 0 get cancelled. 18 into 3, 54 liter water I will take from vessel Q. In option we have 54 also, even that option is also right, which means in option, if I solve this equation, 1 and 2, which option you have? 1 and 2, 3 also I have. 2 and 3, this is eliminated. 1 and 2, this is okay. 1 2 3 we have to, I think 2 options repeated it is, So let's check it. 3. This is also you check that. Okay, if you check same way you can check here. So whether if you get or not, I think you are not get. Let's solve it. 63 14 parts is equal to 63 3.5. No, it's not possible. It's not possible. 27.3. If you solve, you will get to know. I will solve. Same 14 parts is equal to 63. 1 part is equal to 9 by 2, that is 4.5 into 36 parts. 9 into 18. 9 18s are 162 liter. Same 3 by 4 and 1 by 5. If I write this, 20. 162 means 81. 81 means point. 24.3 you will get, but here you will have 27.3. So this option is not possible. So option C will be the answer. This is the way we can solve it using ratio method. Same question I will explain now using allegation how to solve it. It is little bit easy compared to ratio here. So I will solve method 2. How to solve method 2 using allegation method. See here now. In allegation method, how to solve it. So vessel P, the ratio will be 3:2, which means the milk will be 3 by 5, water will be 2 by 5. I will take it in this question water we have. So I can take it either milk, even either I can take it water. Choice is yours. Whatever value if you want, you can take it. Whatever value. If you like any value, you can take it. Either I can take it milk, either I can take it water also. Then how to do that? See now. I will solve here how to do that. Now I will take here milk and water. Okay, 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2 means I can take it 60% and 40%. 3 by 5 is 60%, 2 by 5 is 40%. I will take milk. From vessel P, I will take 60% milk. In vessel Q, 20% water, which means 80% will be milk. From vessel P and vessel Q, I will take 60% and 80%. I hope everyone understand. Because the ratio will be 3:2 means total 100% is equal to 5. Then 1%, 1 part is equal to 20, 2 parts is equal to 40, 3 parts is equal to 60. If I solve this equation, so 3:2 ratio, if I solve in percentage, you will get 60 and 40. I hope everyone understand. How much milk is there? 3 out of 5. How much water will be there? 2 out of 5. That is the meaning that 3 by 5 is 60, 2 by 5 is 40. So I have to take in allegation concept. According to allegation, I have to take from both the vessel either milk, either water. Any one unit we have to take it. Same unit comparison. First vessel 60% milk I will take. Second vessel 80% milk I will take. After mixing both, in both the vessel P and Q, after mixing in vessel R, we have 75% milk. We have 75% milk is there. Then in which ratio we are mixing? That is the allegation rule. This is the allegation rule. In which ratio we are mixing means 80-75 difference will be 5. 75-60 difference will be how much? 15. The ratio will be 1:3. Which means from vessel P, I will take 1 part of mixture. In vessel Q, I will take 3 parts of mixture. In 1 part also we have milk and water. In 3 parts also we have milk and water. It is a vessel Q, I will take total 3 liter. Example I am taking. In vessel P, I will take total 1 liter mixture. Vessel Q, I will take 3 liter mixture. Then if I mix, I will get 75% of milk. According to that is the meaning of that. Now next statement. Next again vessel R you will take. Vessel R you will take. In vessel R, we have 75% milk and 25% water. Now you will add again water. How much percentage water? Water you will add means always pure water you will add, which means I have in vessel R 75% milk I have. Now I will add water. I will add water means 100% water you will add, which means milk you will add 0%. I told you whenever you are adding water means water only you will add, then milk will be 0%. In vessel R, I have initially 75% milk, 25% water. You will add water. Water only if you add, then milk will be 0%. After adding milk, which means 0% milk you are adding means you are adding water. After adding that, the vessel in a mixture R becomes in mixture or milk become 54%. Again, if I do alligation, I will get milk and water in how we are added. So that will get, so it will be 54, 75 and 54 difference, 54 0 difference will be 54, 75 and 54 difference will be, that will be how much we have to check, 21 is the difference. Again, if I do ratio, 3 17s are 3 18s are 3 7s, 18:7 is the ratio, which means you are added 7 part of the water. It is mixture, we have 18 liter. In vessel R we have 18 liter mixture. 18 liter mixture means some liter we are taking some P liter, some liter we are taking Q liter, Q vessel also. In this 18 liter we have 7 liter water we are added. According to this, we are added how much water to vessel R, 7 liter water you are added, but according to option we have to check now. Okay, what is this 56? You are added water. So according to this 7 parts, you are added how many liter? If I take first option, you are added 56 liter water to vessel R. According to this question, you are added how much water? 7 parts. 7 parts is equal to 56. 1 part is equal to 8. If 1 part is equal to 8, 18 into 8 I have to check. Okay, 7 8s are 56. 18 parts I need to check. Okay, 7 parts is equal to 56, 1 part is equal to 8. Then 18 parts I have to check. So 18 into 8. 18 8s are 144. Which means in vessel R we have 144 liter total milk and water. This 144 liter total milk and water I will take from vessel P and Q. Vessel P I will take 1 part, vessel Q I will take 3 parts. Which means how much I can take from vessel Q I can find out, because concentration vessel Q, because the final question will be in vessel Q how many liter water you will take. That is the question. Total mixture I will take from vessel Q 3 parts out of 4 parts. Out of 144 I will take 3 parts of mixture from 4 parts from vessel Q. In this I want water. Water and milk and ratio will be, this is 20% water you will take from vessel Q. 20% fraction value will be 1 by 5. So this is the final answer. If I solve this equation, you will get 21.6. Again, same way you have to solve it for next equation as it is here. Instead of 8, now 7 parts is equal to 140 next option. According to next option 140. 7 parts is equal to 140, 1 part is equal to 20, then 18 parts is equal to 18 into 20. We have to solve it. So 7 parts is equal to 140, 18 into 20, 360. Again same, remaining all same thing. 360 into, remaining all same constant, 3 by 4 into 1 by 5. If I solve this equation again, you will get 5 4s are 20, 0, 18 3s are 54 I will get. Even second option also satisfied. Same way if you check this option, it is eliminated. Then option 1 and 2 will be the answer. See, this is the kind of question you will get in mains examination. I hope everyone understand, and if you really like this way of explanation, everyone do like and share with your friends and who are preparing any competitive exam, and without miss everyone do comment whether you understand or not and level of the question. If you do comment, then I can continue same type of question. I will get some confidence also whether you understand or not. If you are not doing, next question. See, if you see this question, a 45% ethanol solution is mixed with 3p plus 8% of ethanol solution in 4:3. Okay, let's take it first. I have one vessel, ethanol solution. I will take 45% of ethanol solution from first vessel. Then I will take second vessel, 3p plus 8%. 3p plus 8% I will take from second vessel. I will mix from both vessel. If I mix, I can form it Q percentage. I can form it Q percentage. How I am taking, that is also they are given. How I am taking from first vessel ethanol solution, from second vessel ethanol solution means I will take 4:3. Ethanol solution in which form I am taking? 4:3 form I will take. 4:3. Here you have to understand very important concept, how to find out values. See, to find out this number, this will be the average. Remember it. How to find out average? How to find out average? In offline classes, most of the faculty will teach many methods. Here I will take one example. If the example will be like this: 90, 120, this will be X if the ratio will be 1:2. How to find out this value means most of the faculty will teach like this. Most of the faculty will teach like this. Method 1. In this big number will be 120, so this number will be less than this, that 120 minus X is equal to X minus 90. If I do 120 minus X will be 1, if I do X minus 2 will be 2. 120 into 2, 240 minus 2X is equal to X minus 90. X into 1 minus 9. 240, if I shift 90 this side, 240 and 90, then 2x if I shift, you will get 3x. Then 3x is equal to 240 and 90. So 240 and 90, if I solve that equation, how much you will get? 230 and 100, 330 I will get. How much I will get? 330 I will get. Then x is equal to 110. X is equal to how much I will get? 110. This is one way. Another way I can tell, 90 and 120 difference will be 30. 30 distribute in the ratio 1:2. That will be 10 and 20, which means 1 will be 10, 2 will be 20. Whenever if I need this value, big number minus small number, x minus 90 is equal to 20. X minus 90 is equal to 20, which means x is equal to 90 plus 20, 110. This is another way. But if you know these values, you can tell which is highest, which is lowest. If you don't know this value, then it is very difficult to find out how to write this equation. I can't write this equation, then how to solve it. So remember, this is the average. I told you this is the average price. How to find out? Say now, 90 into 1, 90 plus 120 into 2, it is ratio will be 2. 120 into 2, that will be 240 divided by 1:2, that total will be 3. 240 and 90, 330 divided by 3. That is a way to solve x. So here also, even I don't know which one is a big number, which one is a small number, so I will take average. Average, how to find out? Total 45 percentage marks, 4 member student. Then total will be 45 into 4, 180. 45 into 4. It is total into this. That is 3p plus 8 percentage. I am not taking percentage because both this side I have percentage, no worry that. That will be into 3. It is equal to average. Average I am getting Q. Divided by how many members? 4 plus 3, 7. If I shift this number this side, it will be 7Q. It will be 7Q. Now 180, if I solve this equation, 180 plus 3 3s are 9p plus 8 3s are 24 is equal to 7Q. I will shift this number this side, which means 7Q minus 9p is equal to 204. That is the first equation, 204. Second equation, if I write, next again continue. When Q minus 10 liter ethanol solution I will take. Again I will take Q minus 10 liter 10% ethanol. Also mixed with another vessel 75% of ethanol solution. How I am mixing also they are given. How I am mixing? In the 4:1 ratio respectively. Also acid solution is made. So after mixing this, I make it acid solution, that is 2.5p minus 5%. How I am mixing also they are given, that is 4:1 ratio. In which ratio we are mixing? 4:1 ratio. This is again allegation we have to apply to find out mean value. To find out mean value, again same method, q minus 10, another equation, q minus 10 into 4. Directly I can write 4q minus 10 or 40, but you have to understand. Anyway, let's write it directly. 4q minus 40 plus 75 into 175 divided by 4 plus 1 5. I will get average will be 2.5p minus 5. I am not taking percentage because get cancelled. Year percentage get cancelled. This 5 will go here, which means 4q minus 40 plus 75 35. 4q 35, it will go that side, then this will go. Okay, I can write it equation 4q minus and plus 35 is equal to 12.5 p minus 25. Minus 25, if it comes this side, it will be 60. 4q and minus 12.5. Here q I have positive, so q I want positive. P, if I shift this number this side, 4q minus 12.5 p, if we shift this side, minus 60. I want this number is positive, then this equation I can write like this, plus 12.5 p. Otherwise here also I can take common, q I can make it easily cancellation. So this equation I can write here. Here 189p, it will come this side, then it will go this side, means it is minus. Again I did mistake here. Here both important. 9, okay, wait, it is right, because 9p I am shifting that side. Okay, here two equation variable, make it properly. It is here positive, okay. That is first equation will be 7q minus 9p is equal to 204, correct. Here 4q minus 12.5p is equal to minus 60. Linear equation we know how to solve. So to make it that, I will multiply here 4, I will multiply here 7, then I will do subtract. If I do subtract, symbol will change. Then 7 4s are 28, 28 cancel, 4 into 9 36, 7 12s are 84, 37, 87.5, 87 36 55.5. If I subtract this, how much? Sorry, 51.5. 51.5 is equal to 204 and 60 into 7 420, 420 and 8 knots 816 and 7 6 are 42, 420. If I solve that equation, 436, sorry, 1236. Double and off 103 is equal to 103p is equal to 2472. So it is 103 2s 24s, p is equal to 24. P value is equal to 24. If I substitute 24 any one equation, 24 into 9, 180 plus 36, 180 plus 36, how much it will be? 180 plus 36, because 20 into 4, 180, 4 9s are 36. 180 plus 36 will be, that will be 216 minus 216. If it go that side, plus 216, 200 and 200, 420. Then solve this equation, you will get q. Q variable is equal to, after solving that q variable, you will get 20, sorry 60. Yes, you will get 60 after solving that. Then final statement you try to find out. Okay, final statement you try to find out final value. So just I will give it time, you try to do that, you will get 1 point. If I solve that equation, if we substitute here 4q is equal to this equation, 4 value, 4 1s are 4, 105 will get 4q, so 12 point, sorry 7q. Wait it, here I can substitute here also, here you will get same try 12.5 into 24, that is 25 into 12. 25 12s are 300. If it shift that side, 300 minus 300 become plus 300, that is 240. Again divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 6 are. Yes. So if I substitute here, easily I will get answer will be that 60. Q is equal to 60. Then what's the final question? Final question will be Q minus 3, that is 20. 60 by 3 minus P is equal to 25. 24 divided by 2, that will be 12 whole square. 8 square. 8 square will be 64. That will be my answer. I hope everyone understand this concept. Let's discuss one more. Yeah, this is easy question. I think you can do this. For next session I will take this another 2-3 questions, but you try to do it. If you get this answer, everyone reply in message box, comment section. If you are not get, you have to reply you are not getting this answer, then I will take next class. But you should reply whether you